Namaskar. Today I would like to demonstrate a very healthy breakfast, Sabudana Khichdi. Ingredients required are sabudana, roasted peanuts, grated coconut, ghee, jeera, green chilli, salt, potato, coriander. Soak the sabudana overnight. Roast peanuts, coarsely grind them. Mix the peanut with soaked sabudana. Add salt. Add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera, followed by green chilli. Let it crackle. Add dices of potato. Add little water. Add little salt and cover with the lid. Let it cook. After potato is cooked, add sabudana. Stir it nicely. And steam it for 10 more minutes. Sprinkle some water on top of. Sabudana Khichdi is ready. Garnish